How to update Roblox on PC. Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this tutorial. To update your Roblox on PC, it is pretty simple. Firstly, in the search bar, search for your control panel. From here, on the programs, you need to click on the uninstall program option. Go ahead and search for your Roblox player. When you tap on it, your Roblox will be uninstalled from your PC. Once it is successfully uninstalled, open up your Microsoft Store next. Wait for your store to load. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Roblox. Select on the Roblox. Then, click on the Get button to install it again in your PC. If you do not have a Microsoft Store activated for you, you can also download it via our website of Roblox. By this way, you'll be able to update your Roblox on your PC. It's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.